The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Good morning. Guess this is the girl that I hear everyone talking about, Trishanna. You know what I mean? She there start off with a little business and thing. Yeah, she a little official shop over there at James Street and Beeson Street. You know what I mean? In the North Spoilers community. So this is a little start of the business. You know, so she got have all kind of little things, fruits, you know what I mean? Little snacks, juice, all of these little things, you know what I mean? So this is Trishanna starting off with a little business. She'll wait for a little shop to finish off right at James Street and Beeson Street, peeps. The room done already, I say a room finish, you know what I mean? So at the kitchen and now left to finish up and things. So whosoever do the good for her, don't stop. Just continue to do the support for her, you know what I mean? Because she there do the right thing, nobody follow them out.
Viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. But, you know, I just presented a video to you, and this video that I just presented to you, yes, it's out on social media. It's been talked about, you see what I'm saying to you? And this video shows of a female who is known as Trishanna. Now, Trishanna is a female who persons on social media know or recognized because of a female who is known as Miss Donna and her program. You see me? Now, Miss Donna has a program that helps persons who are in need and so on, is what I'm saying to you. And Trishanna was featured on Miss Donna's program. Alright, now some things that happened between Miss Donna and Trishanna, but however, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video that will take you to one of the previous videos that I did about Miss Donna and, you know, also Trishanna. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that Trishanna started her business, or Trishanna is doing business. You get what I'm saying to you? Yes, so let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you a while ago, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show of a flooding that had happened within a section of the place that is known as Seaview Gardens, that is of the parish of St. Andrew, that's of the country of Jamaica, due to heavy rainfall. You get what I'm saying to you? Yes, due to heavy rainfall. Now, I do not have any information as to when this area had been flooded, is what I'm saying to you. But however, this video is out on social media, and you know, some things that have been shown in this video, viewers and subscribers, you know, like basically, I'm talking about garbage floating in the water and so on, is what I'm saying to you. And I'm saying to myself, yo, it look bad, you know. I mean, the amount of garbage, like plastic bags or bottles and things just floating in the water. Yeah, it looks really bad, you see me? But however, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it for yourself. You can also tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, and before I present this video to you, you know, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
This is Seaview Garden for another time around when the rain fall. Just even for 5 minutes. And this is the condition. Look. People look. Look. The car, the bumper come off of the car. If the water kick off the bumper off of the car. Oh my God. Look at this. I would like to be on the other side. I could give you a close-up view, but this is my destination. Look at it. Look. Look. From them to the road. From them to the road. This is what's happening in Seaview Garden. From them build that road round there and block off all of the gully them. We used to take the water from that side and go straight to the sea. This is what's happening now. Yeah, this is what's happening now. My God. Just look. As far as I can see. No vehicle come through this. No vehicle. Look at buckles. Look at plastic buckles. Look. Sea view garden. Yeah, from the deal of the road, this is what really happening. Anytime rainfall, even for 3 minutes, pan a little pace. I tell you, rough, terrible. Yeah, man. Anytime it falls, it's like, see, there's a car up here turning back. You can't go through it. You can't go through it at all. Try that to shut off same place. Turn back. You can't go nowhere.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of a flooding that happened within a section of the place that is known as Seaview Gardens, that is of the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica, due to heavy rainfall. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, I do not have any information or any confirmed information as to if anyone had been injured or died because of this flooding. You get what I'm saying to you? No, I do not have any information about that. Alright? But anyways, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers. Alright? And the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Lisa Hyper. Some persons might call her Lisa Hype. And you know, this video shows Lisa talking to a person who goes by the name of Lava about a female who is known as Shauna Chin. Now, viewers and subscribers, this video is a live recording showing of these two persons talking, and for some reason this video is out on social media and it's being talked about. I mean, comments have been made about this video on social media. All right, and I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it for yourself, and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that Lisa Hyper had said. Is what I'm saying to you. But anyways, I'm going to present the video to you right about now, and this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You ready for the question?
Yeah.
People must say, if a true, so your box Shauna Chin.
I did see that question there, but I did wait for you for ask. I see yourself. Okay, so the situation with me and Shauna Chin, I never box her people. I never come and say I box her. I never box her. I never tell no lie for myself. I never box her people. When I not send no police to me, I did not do that. Okay? Me a talk for my rights. Stop spread rumor upon me, stop tell lie upon me, and man wanna make police come for me. Me never box the girl.
Thank you very much.
Me a say it over and over. Me never box the girl. Me just dig off her face.
Bomba.
Yeah. Me never box her. And I not even want to elaborate on it, but she just did that size up herself, and I was like, who the fuck do you think you are to be sizing up with me? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? So that was it. Anyways, look out for the new collaboration with me and Vibes Cartel on him album, Dance and Divas.
Yes, look up it.
And Divas, June 26th.
Look
Pretty Butterfly. So I'm look right now. Pretty Butterfly. That is my song. Number 4. I mean, I tell you, say, most of people up on the album there. Danny Boo up on it, Skilly Bang up on it, Squash up on it, Little Addy, Little Vibes, Lisa Mercedes, Juicy Fruit, Who may I forget? Tommy Lee up on it.
Sika Rhyme.
Sika Rhymes up on it. Yes, what me I
TJ.
say? TJ, the hot album people. Hot daddy!
Yes.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows the person who goes by the name of Lisa Hyper. And again, I'm going to say this, some persons call her Lisa Hype as well. Now anyways, viewers and subscribers, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show the Jamaican artist or the Jamaican musician or the Jamaican entertainer who goes by the name of Bounty Killer. Some persons might say Bounty Killer. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, remember Jamaican language and standard English. Yeah, some of the times the ER get cut off and replaced with an A. You see me? So the Bounty Killer become Bounty Killer and so on. But you know what I mean. So anyways, this video shows a Bounty Killer joining protesters who are protesting across or beside or in front of the United States Embassy. And I'm talking about the United States Embassy that is located within the country of Jamaica, that is on Old Hope Road, Kingston, Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? By the way, I do not have any information as to exactly when this had happened, but however, this video is out on social media and it's being talked about, you know, and I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to basically keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? And when I say Bounty Killer join protesters, I mean Bounty Killer is actually in the crowd or in the mix, as also some persons might call it, with persons who are protesting. You see me? And this whole protest is about, you know, more than one thing according to how some persons say it. You see me? Some persons say it's about Black Lives Matter. Some persons say it's about what had happened within the US. You know, where it is said that a person who is known as George Floyd had died due to an incident when he was being apprehended by the Minneapolis police. Is what I'm saying to you. And you know, some persons say that this protest is about racism and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you. But however, the main thing that I'm trying to let you, my viewers and subscribers, know is that Bounty Killer joined protesters who are protesting in front or beside or, you know, close by to the United States Embassy that is located within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now I'm going to show you the video right about now so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And for those who might not like to see crowd or protest or protesting, is what I'm saying to you, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? You know, all these videos, they're out on social media. They're being talked about, you know what I mean? Comments have been made about these videos on social media. And I bring these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, to let us see what's going on. Alright? Yeah, so here's where I leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.